Hello, everybody. Welcome in your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Tuesday, June 11th, 2024. I'm Jeremy Crosby. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning in with us for your TF headlines. We start with some road work. This is going to be road work at the Roundabout at Lacy and Seminole Highway. Lacy and Seminole Highway, well, South Seminole Highway at the Roundabout. It's going to be closed, a full closure. What are they doing? They're putting up some traffic lights there. The Lacy Road and South Seminole Highway Roundabout will be closed in all traffic directions Tuesday, June 18th and Wednesday, June 19th for streetlight installation. You want to use alternative routes? We have signs up there now to remind you of this if you're in the area, but nevertheless, there will be detours set up in every direction, north, west, east, south. It's all there. And we'll get you around this, but that closure anticipated for at least 2 days. If it's done sooner, we'll let you know. But that's happening on Tuesday, June 18th and Wednesday, June 18th and Wednesday, June 19th. Easy for me to say here. All right, Fitchburg Teen Center Public Workshop is coming up. This is going to be on June 17th. And it's going to be from 5 to 7 p.m. The public is invited to join us for an open house at the Latino Chamber of Commerce building to learn more of the potential new teen center in Fitchburg. The open house will feature a live DJ and food. Feel free to drop in anytime between 5 and 7 p.m. The family-friendly event offers an opportunity for community members to interact with staff and teens. It's a chance to learn more about the project, which aims to create a safe and vibrant space for youth. We hope to see everybody out there. You can RSVP by going to the email here, and that'd be engagement at eqtbydesign.com. That information is on your screen. And of course, we'll share the link where we share up our stories. We post it up on our YouTube page, so you can click there and get right to it. And see you out there on the 17th. We'll have coverage of that on our Gov channel here for that meeting. Adventures begin at the library. That's the summer reading program that kicked off yesterday, June 10th, and runs now through August 3rd. The patrons will be able to access reading challenges from home and on their computer and or mobile device. The library will offer reading challenges for adults, teens, readers, and pre-readers created using the Beanstack platform. Patrons will have the chance to earn badges and prizes while reading throughout the summer. Registration is needed for adults, teens, and children, which can be done through the Beanstack app. Started on June 1st, and now again, keeps track of everything you're doing, and you can win some fantastic prizes. By the way, if you've signed up before, you can keep your login and just sign right back in. And check the library for more great summer events coming up. They kicked off their library event yesterday, had over 300 people there, so they had a good turnout there, and they've got a lot of fun things coming up here, which we'll try to preview each and every day here on Talking Fitchburg. Summer discount tickets available from the Fitchburg Recreation Department. Want to make sure you can take full advantage of all the great offers this summer. Summer discount tickets include Noah's Ark, open May 28th through September 2nd. All tickets are $35. Milwaukee County Zoo, tickets expire on the December 31st. Got a little extra time there if you can't get it done in the summer. And Land of Nature, this one's open May through September. Tickets are $20. Ages 3 and up are free. Available for purchase through Friday, August 16th. You can come out to the Recreation Department, so located at 5510 Lacy Road here in Fitchburg. Sale hours are 8 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. Monday through Friday. Cash or check only, no refunds. And more information on our rec programming and beyond, you can get up the website fitchburgwi.gov, and they have all the information you need for learning more about those tickets. National HIV Testing Day is going to be put on by the Public Health of Madison and Dane County. This is a free event happening on Thursday, June 27th from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. It'll be at the Public Health Madison and Dane County office on 2230 South Park Street in Madison. And anyone can walk in. You can join us for a free walk-in event on the National HIV Testing Day. They'll have rapid HIV testing kits with results in 20 minutes. So you can grab some freebies, gas cards, grocery vouchers, and more while supplies last. Snacks and games and chance to win other prizes there. You can check out Public Health of Madison-Dane County for more information. And finally, I want to make sure you prevent those tick bites, not only on you, but your pets as well. Make sure the ticks don't catch a free ride on your pets. Check your dogs daily for ticks and keep your dog healthy. Ticks can be hard to spot, so make sure you check around the ears, tails, eyelids, and paws. Use tweezers to carefully remove them. Have a great day, everybody.